welcome. I am Vineet and I am a developer. This is our core Java course and this is our first lecture. In this lecture, we'll understand what is Java, what is compiler, what is programming language, and many other things. But before, let's see today's our agenda. Today, understand what is Java, what is programming, why use programming, history of Java, internal details, features of Java. Okay, what is Java? Java is a object-oriented programming language. But before understand Java, we need to understand what is programming language. So, what is programming language? A programming language is a set of commands, instructions, and other syntax used to create a software. But why we need programming language? Let's talk about our computer some. How our computer works. I'm talking English, but our computer work different like this: 01010101010011. This called machine language, and this is very hard to understand for a human. That's why we use programming language, because programming language is easily to understand and many other things. For example, Java, C, C++, Python, and many other things. So, what is programming language? A programming language is a set of commands, instructions, and other syntax used to create software. And that's clear. We are going to next. So, what is compiler? So, what is a compiler? So, for example, this is our C language code. Wait, this is our C++ programming language code, and this is converted to machine language. This is machine language. This is machine language. So how this this process complete? This process done by compiler. So this is compiler. This is compiler. So compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a particular programming language and turns them into machine language. So this is our programming language and this is machine language, and this process done by compiler. So this is compiler. So what is compiler? Compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a particular programming language and turns them into machine language or code that a computer's process uses. Typically, a programmer writes language statements in a language such as Pascal or C1 LAN at a time using an editor. That's clear? Okay. History of Java. Java is a general programming language and computing platform first released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Java is fast, secure, and reliable for laptops and it is okay, it is developed by James Gosling, and this is uh, Java release version. Okay, so this is a compiler process, and this is very basic hello Java hello program. So what happens, this is Java code, and this is compiler, and this is bytecode. What happens at compile time, at compile time Java file is compiled by Java compiler. This file compiled by Java compiler, this is Java compiler. It does not interact with it does not directly interact with operating system and converts the Java code into bytecode, and this compiler, this file will be converted into bytecode, and after bytecode will be converted into machine language. And what happens at runtime, at runtime following steps are performed. Class loader is a subsystem of JVM that is used to load class files. What is JVM? Java virtual machine. I will talk about later. JVM. Bytecode verifier. Check the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access right to objects. Bytecode verifier checks the fragments of illegal code that can violate access right to objects. Interpreter. Read bytecode streams that execute the instructions. Okay. Features of Java. Java is simple, platform independent. I will talk about you later what is platform independent. Okay, and this is many features of Java. Java is secured, high performance, object oriented, robust, interpreted, distributed, multi-threaded, portable, and many other things. So thanks for watching, and bye bye until the next video.